Yes. Now next topic is finding the square of a number. Finding the square of a number. Finding the square of a number.
Of the following numbers.
Finding the square of a number. Now a number is given, we have to find out the square of the number. In your book 23 is given. Now square of 23 is square of 23. We have to find out. Okay. Now 23 square. 23 can be taken as 20 plus 3. Okay, square. And it can be written as 2 times. Square means written by 2 times. 20 plus 3
So 29.
and 20 plus 3. Now we will apply distributive property. And you have already studied in exercise 1.1. Chapter number 1. You have already studied about distributive property. Yes, 20 is multiplied to this. Okay. 20 plus 3. Now plus 3. This is multiplied to this. 3 multiplied to 20 plus 3. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay. Now solve it. 20 into 20 plus 20 into 3 plus 3 into 20 plus 3 into 3. Okay. Now 20 into 20 400 plus that is 60 plus 60 plus 9. Yes, it becomes 400 plus 120 plus 9. So it becomes 529.
529.
Okay. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Do it fast. Do it fast.
Yes, sir, done.
Sir, I have completed exercise 6.1.
Okay, very good. Now focus on exercise.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. My next topic is other pattern in squares. Other pattern in squares. Yes, 25 square. Okay. Two plus 1 3 multiply by 3. Okay. Hundreds. Now you write as hundreds. This is applicable only for if 5 is come. Agar 5 the unit digit is 5. This pattern will follow if the unit digit is 5. Okay. अगर यूनिट डिजिट 5 है तो ये पैटर्न फॉलो होगा, अदरवाइज ये पैटर्न फॉलो नहीं होगा. 25 के 2 just one number we add to 2, that is 3. 2 into 3 hundreds plus 5 square. Okay. Now it becomes 2 into 3 600 and square of 5 25. It becomes 625. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah. Your next is yes. Your next is 35 square. Yes. 3 multiplied by which number?
4.
4. 3 plus 1, that is 4. Hundreds plus 5 square. Okay. 1200 plus 5, that is 1225. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay, do it fast. Next topic is Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. Okay. Yes. Now I am considering three numbers, that is 3, 4, 5. First case, taking three numbers. Three numbers. That is three number 3, 4 and 5. I have taken three numbers, that is 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. I have taken three numbers, that is 3, 4, 5. Smallest two numbers are 3, 4.
Sir, 3 and 4.
Square of 3 and another square of 4 is equal to square of 5. Yes or no? Please check. ये इक्वल है कि नहीं है?
Yes, sir, it is equal.
That is 9. For square of 4, 16 and square of 25. Please check it. 25 and 25 equal. So 3, 4 and 5 are Pythagorean triplets. अगर ऐसी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड हो जाती है, इक्वल हो जाते हैं, तो Pythagorean triplets होते हैं. So 3, 4 and 5 are Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Now, in general formula, 2n twice of n square minus 1 and n square plus 1. n square plus 1 are Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. Why? Because twice of n square is equal to n minus 1 and 1.
Please scroll up.
Do it fast.
Sir, in general formula, do we have to 2m square or only 2m?
2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 are Pythagorean triplets. In triplets will take
Okay, sir.
in triplets will take 3 numbers. Okay, and as you know that sum of smallest 2 number is equal to square of largest number. अगर ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड है तो ये पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट्स होंगे, अदरवाइज पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट्स नहीं होंगे. Have you done or not?
No, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
That is 2m m square minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1 whole square. This condition satisfied or not? Check it. Check it. That is twice of m. Twice of m 4m square. Okay. Now m square minus 1 a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab m square and that is 1. Okay. Now next is your a square plus b square plus 2 m square and that is 1. Please check it. These are equal or not. It becomes 4m square plus it becomes m raised to power 4 m raised to power 4 m square and square 2 into 2 power 2 into 2 it becomes a into b 2 into 2 4 and plus 1 it becomes 2m square. And now your m raised to power 4 plus 1 plus 2m square. Please check that these are equal or not. That is m square to m square cancel out. Now it becomes 4m square minus 2m square. That is 2m square plus 1. And now it becomes 2m square plus 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So 2m m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 are Pythagorean triplets. So 2m m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 are Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean.
Sir, please go on.
1 second. Triplets. Pythagorean triplets कब होंगे? Please tell me.
Sir, when the small two-digit square is equal to the larger digit square.
Yes. So and that is equal to m square plus 1 whole square. Okay. Now 2m square that is 4m square and m square minus 1 whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. It becomes a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Solve it. Now it becomes that is twice of m square, that is 4m square. It becomes m raised to power 4 and it becomes 1. It becomes 2m square. It becomes m square 1 and 2m square. M raised to power 4, m raised to power 4 cancel out and 4m square minus 2m square. It becomes 2m square that is plus 1 and that is also 2m square plus 1. That is equal. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So 2m m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 are Pythagorean triplets. This derivation is not important. Please keep in mind that 2m m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 is Pythagorean triplets. Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, how did that 2 came before m square?
2
Sir, in the third step.
is third step.
Yes, sir.
Yes. In third step, yes, ask me.
Sir, in the third step it is written 2m square and then in bracket 1.
ये स्टेप
Yes, sir.
यस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab this is your identity. I have applied this identity a square plus b square minus 2ab.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay, do it fast.
No, sir.
Do it fast.
Sir.
Yes, do it fast.
Third one.
Okay, very good. Square of 32.
Sir, please wait.
Okay. Okay. Yes, have you done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes,
Yes, may I erase it? May
Yes,
I
sir.
erase it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Question number first, second part. 35 square.
235.
Yes. 35 square. If a unit digit is 5, what is your rule? Please tell me.
So 30 plus 5.
Now,
Sir, 30 plus 5 square plus 5 square. 100 plus 5 square.
नहीं.
Sir, 3.
Listen. Bit of silence.
25.
Unit digit of 35 is 5. What is the pattern? What is the pattern?
Sir, may
Yes. Okay, yes. 3 into 4 hundreds plus 5 square. Okay. It becomes 3 4 1200 plus 25 and it becomes 1225. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any parts? Any more parts do you want to ask? From exercise 6.2, question number 1, do you want to ask any part?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yes. Now, question number 2, write a Pythagorean triplets whose one member is. Before solving this question, I want to tell you something. May I raise it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2m, as you know that 2m m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 are Pythagorean triplets. That is 2m is Pythagorean triplets, m square minus 1 is also Pythagorean triplets and m square plus 1 is Pythagorean triplets. ये हमारे पास ट्रिपलेट्स हैं और ये इनके मेंबर्स, इनके क्या है मेंबर्स हैं. ट्रिपलेट्स की जैसे मान लो आपके फैमिली में 3 मेंबर हैं 1 2 and 3. ठीक है, ट्रिपलेट्स है. ट्रिपलेट्स में से फर्स्ट मेंबर ये है, सेकंड मेंबर ये है, थर्ड मेंबर ये है. ओके.
Okay, sir.
अब हम क्या है, कोई नंबर हमारे पास गिवन है. ओके, हमारे पास कोई नंबर गिवन है तो हम क्या है उस नंबर को 2m कंसीडर करेंगे या m स्क्वायर माइनस 1 कंसीडर करेंगे या m स्क्वायर प्लस 1 कंसीडर करेंगे. ओके, लिसन टू मी. जैसे मान लो आपके पास क्या है एक नंबर है स्क्वायर, जैसे 16 है. 16 के लेफ्ट साइड में 15 आता है और 16 के राइट साइड में 17 आता है. आता ही नहीं आता है.
Yes, sir.
ओके, अब मेरे पास लिसन टू मी, मेरे पास एक नंबर है 25 के लेफ्ट साइड में 24 आता है एंड 20 5 के राइट साइड में 26 आता है
Yes.
तो जो स्केयर परफेक्ट स्केयर नंबर होते हैं, परफेक्ट स्केयर नंबर होते हैं, उसके लेफ्ट में जो नंबर होता है उसको हम कंसीडर करते हैं m स्क्वायर माइनस 1, और जो हमारे पास परफेक्ट स्केयर होता है उसके राइट में जो नंबर है उसको हम कंसीडर करते हैं m स्क्वायर प्लस 1. ओके, दैट इज m स्क्वायर प्लस 1, m स्क्वायर माइनस 1 एंड m स्क्वायर प्लस 1. ठीक है, कोई डाउट का प्रॉब्लम इसमें?
No sir.
अगर आपके पास कोई इवन नंबर है और वो परफेक्ट नंबर की क्लोज नहीं है, जैसे मान लो कोई नंबर हमारे पास आ गया 6, अब ये नंबर तो परफेक्ट स्केयर नंबर की क्लोज है नहीं, तो क्या करेंगे, ट्वाइस ऑफ m, बस का जो बच गया ट्वाइस ऑफ m हो गया. नहीं समझ में आया अभी? जैसे आपके पास क्या है, अगर आप इस नंबर को जैसे मान लो आपके पास 16 है, उसको हमने मान लिया ट्वाइस ऑफ m, इससे एक आपके पास m की वैल्यू आ जाएगी यहाँ से. वो समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है भाई? आप किसको m स्क्वायर माइनस 1 कंसीडर करोगे, किसको m स्क्वायर प्लस 1 कंसीडर करोगे, किसको ट्वाइस ऑफ m कंसीडर करोगे? है भाई? कुछ समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
भाई किसको, which number do you consider as twice of m, which number do you consider as m square minus 1, and which number do you consider as m square plus 1?
We will consider it as m square.
Yes,
Sir, we will consider the perfect square as twice of m, and the number that comes on left we will consider m square minus 1, and the right side number we will consider m square plus 1.
yes, Kushi Kumari, you are perfect right. It means you are attentive in the class. Any more student? Any more student? Please respond me. Which will be your 2m, twice of m, which number will be your m square minus 1, and which number will be your m square plus 1? Respond me.
So the perfect square will be 2m, and the left side of it will be the 2m minus 1, and the right side will be 2m plus 1.
No. 2m plus 1 तो है ही नहीं. m square minus 1 and m square plus 1.
The first we will take the number as 2m, and then we will take m square minus 1 as the number on the left, and m square plus 1 on the number on the right, and we will solve it as we have 2m equal to 6, and then we have to solve the
Okay, okay, very good. Okay, very good.
and
Yes, very good. Now we will. Now, how can we apply these Pythagorean triplets on solving the questions? Your exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. Your one Pythagorean triplets is given. That is question number 2, first part. One Pythagorean triplets. One Pythagorean triplets. One member of Pythagorean triplets is given. Pythagorean triplets. That is 6 and one Pythagorean triplet is 6. And as you know that Pythagorean triplets are twice of m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Yes, here 6 is twice of m or m square minus 1 or m square plus 1. Which will you consider?
So it is m square plus 1.
अगर m स्क्वायर प्लस 1 आपको कंसीडर कर दे, जैसे मान लो 6 है, 6 से यहाँ पे परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर के आसपास है, या परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर आपके पास 4 है, 9। अब 9 से पहले 8 आता है, 9 के बाद 10 आता है, 4 से पहले आपके पास 3 आता है, और 4 के बाद 5 आता है। तो ये तो किसी के पास आ ही नहीं रहा है, तो ये तो m स्क्वायर माइनस 1 m स्क्वायर प्लस 1 तो हो ही नहीं सकता है भाई। है भाई, हो सकता है m स्क्वायर माइनस 1 m स्क्वायर प्लस 1 हो सकता है?
No sir.
नहीं हो सकता ना?
No, sir.
चलिए ठीक है, ओके। नाउ द concept is clear that now remaining is your twice of m. Okay, now twice of m is equal to 6. Now the value of m is 6 by 2. m is equal to 3. m is equal to 3. Okay. Now value of m is 3. Now another Pythagorean triplets is, that is m square minus 1. And you have already found the value of m, that is, what is 3 square minus 1, and the square of 3 is 9 minus 1, that is 8. Next is your m square plus 1. What is the value of m? 3 square plus 1, that is 9 plus 1. Okay. Now 6 square, that is 6, 8 and 10. So 6 is given. Another Pythagorean triplets we have to find out that m square minus 1 is 8 and m square plus 1 is 10. Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. Any doubt, any problems?
No sir.
समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? आपको समझ में आया कि नहीं आया?
Yes sir.
Have you better understand or not?
Yes sir.
अच्छे से समझ में आ गया सभी को? गर्भिका बस?
Yes sir.
Any doubt, any problems?
Yes sir.
Garvika, are you able to understand this question?
No sir.
Have you any doubt, any problem? Kshitiz Kumar Singh. Kshitiz,
No, sir.
have you any doubt, any problems? Any doubt, any problems?
Sir, I have not
No sir.
No sir.
Remaining parts, second, third and fourth part, same as it is, you have considered all the part as twice of m. Twice of m. Twice of m is equal to 14. You will find out the value of m is 7. Now m square minus 1. 7 square minus 1, 49 minus 1, that is 48. And m square plus 1, 49 plus 1, that is 50. You can do such as. Now an example is, to write a Pythagorean triplet whose smallest member is 8. Okay. Yes, that is 8. Example number 2. That is one member of Pythagorean triplet. One member of Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplet is 8, and perfect square near 8 is that is 9, here 8, here 10. If 8 is twice of m square minus 1 and m square plus 1, please tell me.
Sir, 9 is 2m.
9 is perfect square number. Your one member, that is 8, which is very close to perfect square number. So 8 will be equal to twice of m square minus 1 or m square plus 1. Please tell me.
M square plus 1.
M square minus 1, that is 8. M square is equal to 8 plus 1. So m square is equal to 9, and your m is m square. It can be written as 3 into 3, and m square 3 square to square cancel out, and m become 3. Okay, m becomes 3.
Yeah.
Now another Pythagorean triplets are another members of Pythagorean triplets. Please tell me. That is twice of m,
Yes, sir.
and your m is 3.
No.
M is 3, so it becomes 6. And next we call m square plus 1. Okay, m is 3 square plus 1. That is 9 plus 1. That is 10. Okay.
Yes,
Yes. Have you any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
All the concept is clear.
This one